Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Yusra. Now let's just start our day with a good quotation. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Today we are going to study geography. Chapter 2, Inside Our Earth. The Earth, our homeland, is a dynastic planet. It is the constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Have you wondered what lies on the interior? What is the Earth made up of? Interiors of the earth. Just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called crust. It is the thinnest of all layers. It is about 35 km on the continental masses and only 5 km on the ocean floors. The main material constitutes of the continental mass are ammonia. It is thus called shell. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called seema. Just breathe. The crust is the mantle which extends up to depth 200 km below the crust. So this is the interiors of the earth. The interior layer of the core of Radiozoa above 3500 km. It is mainly made up of nickel, iron and called knife. Its central core has a high temperature and pressure. So this is the explanation about our interior of the earth. Now let's promote it to rocks and minerals. The earth's crust is made up of various types of rock. Any natural mass of mineral matter that make up the earth crust is called rock. Rock can be different color, size and texture. It is also major type of rock like igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid rock, thus formed by the igneous rock. They called creamily rocks. There are two types of igneous rock, insolvent and exterior rock. Can you imagine lava coming out from volcano? Lava is actually red molten magma coming from out inner of the earth on its surface. When it's molten lava on the earth's surface, it replied cool down the solid rocks. They have a 5 degree structure. For example, the Deccan Plateau is made up of rock. Example, the molten magma cools down inside the earth crust. Solid rocks are found in igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly and they also rock slowly down cracks and hit each other in the broke down into fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. The sediment transported by diffused by wind, water, etc. These loose layers of earth, these type of rock called sedimentary rocks. For example, sandstone is contain fossil of plants, animals and microorganisms that once lived on them. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into the metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, changes into the silt, limestone into the marble. Rocks are useful to us. The hard work stone are used for making roads, house and buildings. You use stones in many games. For example, 7 stones, 5 stones, out of some more such as game by asking your grandparents, parents, neighbor, etc. You will surprised to know that one type of rock changes to another type of under certain condition in climatic manner. The process by the sedimenting condition, when its molten magma cools, it solidified, it become igneous rock by the subject to heat and pressure. They change into metamorphic rock. The metamorphic rock, which stills under great heat and pressure, melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rock. So this is a cultivation of types of rock and Now also it is said that rocks are made up of different minerals which are naturally occurring substances which have physical and chemical definite components used in fossil. For example, coal, natural gases, petroleum. They also use in industries ammonium, gold, etc. In medicine, fertilizer, etc. So in this chapter, the activity I wanted to give you an activity for its fun of this chapter. The activity related to this chapter is collect picture of some monuments and find out what type of rock used to build them. Two types of picture have been collected for you. The first picture that you have seen is for Red Fort. The Red Fort is made up of red sandstone, and the second picture is related to Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is made up of white marble stones. Okay. So now we discuss about, do you know, this is a very amazing fact that I really like it. The deepest mine in the world is in South Africa. It is about 4 kilometers deep in the search for oil. Have a dug hole about 6 kilometers deep. Second, to reach to the center of the earth, which is not possible. You will have to dig a hole 600 kilometers deep on the ocean floor. Number second, do you know the crust forms only 1% of the volume of the earth? 84% consists of the metal and 15% makes the core. Second, the radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. Third is fossil. The remain of the dead plants and animals trapped into the layers of rock is called fossils. If this video is useful to you, so please don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channels. Thanks for watching. Bye.